let me show you how to withdraw money from Streamqash agency. So as you can see, there is balance here and I've already withdrawn 850. So you'll come here to the left side and click on withdrawals, then click on withdraw balance. Then you will enter M-Pesa and then click the amount you want to withdraw. So they charge 50 bob for withdrawal, then request for withdrawal. So you can see you have successfully cashed out 850 shillings. Your payment will be delivered in time. So after that, you receive an email that you have already withdrawn the money. Now you can come to withdrawal history and you can see I've already been paid this, so I'm waiting for the other one. So when it comes to making money with Streamqash agency, you will receive your welcome bonus. And also after withdrawal and receiving the money, it will show total withdrawal here. And you can make money through trivia questions, YouTube videos, TikTok videos. Click on TikTok videos and then click on watch. Then here you will watch on these videos and claim earnings. So let's watch one of these videos. Or even click claim earnings. So here you just click on claim earnings for video 2. And you can see you have successfully claimed your earnings for TikTok video 2. Let's go to the dashboard. Dashboard, TikTok earnings 20 shillings. Let's go now to trivia question. Tech trivia question. Trivia is only accessible on Monday 8 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. So you have already seen that it's available only on Monday. So I'll not manage to do it. So if you want to make money, you can check out the link in the description to get started with Streamqash agency, and you can register and activate your account and start making money through watching Instagram reels, trivia question, YouTube videos, and TikTok videos. Like, follow, and also subscribe if you want to make money. As you can see, for Monday, trivia question, Tuesday, TikTok, Wednesday, YouTube videos, Thursday, Instagram reels, Friday ads, Saturday ads. So those are the days in which you'll be watching and making money with Streamqash agency.